What's up, guys? It's been a while since I uploaded, but I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the lighting's kind of bad, but I wanted to talk about Charles Spurgeon and a few other people that are very influential that had depression, that were struggled a lot with depression. So first of all, let's talk about Charles Spurgeon. Charles Spurgeon said it's a prophet in rough clothing. He said it humbled him, it made him, it prepared him for bigger blessings. Depression is, I mean, if you think about Martin Luther King, I mean, not, sorry, Martin Luther, the Protestant Reformation, um, the guy that did the Protestant Reformation, he struggled with depression a lot. So, and also William Cooper, a guy that it was the most one of the greatest poets and hymn writers in the 18th century or 19th century, I think. I forget. But yeah, a long time ago. So I don't know dates that well. I just struggle with dates. But anyways, God is preparing you for something. If you are struggling with depression, if you're struggling with suicidal thoughts, that's straight from the enemy. And why would the enemy be attacking you if he didn't see you something in you, you know? Because literally, like, I was looking up suicidal thoughts, and it was like it's straight demonic, like straight up demonic. So literally, just keep going, and just realize if you do have depression, if you do have suicidal thoughts, that means you probably are going to do some great things in your life. The enemy sees that. God wants you to do great things. If you're a Christian, obviously, but yeah, like you said, you're not alone in that struggle, because literally, Charles Spurgeon, William Cooper, Martin Luther, you can look up all those names, huge names, huge influential figures that are Christians that have influenced the way. It's just very influential in history. And who else struggled with depression? I think C.S. Lewis struggled a lot with depression as well. A very famous hymn writer. I mean, not hymn writer. Sorry, Christian author. But yeah, you're not alone in this depression, man. Like, I struggle with depression a lot, and without depression, I'm not saying it's all positive. It's obviously depression sucks, like, and suicidal thoughts suck, but it is something that people are inspired by when you tell them, like, man, I struggle with depression or whatever. Like, people are like, I don't know, anyways, if you are struggling with depression, just realize it humbles you. It's they like Charles Spurgeon viewed it as almost a good thing. So yeah, God bless you guys.